Hi, it's Shigo, and today we're gonna react and test out some beauty hacks. Let's get it. I love those lipsticks. I live for them. Okay, she's taking it off. Please don't tell me you're gonna make a ring out of it. Please, please, please. Cheap ass. No, it's not hot. It's not that pretty. I don't put cheap metal on my fingers. I'm not liking it. So, let's see if it works. I don't think it's gonna work. So, we destroyed the lipstick behind the scenes. 20 minutes to do it. And the worst part is, it's plastic. Yes, I mean, I think it still looks cheap, but it looks better than I expected. But it's still plastic. And we destroyed a 30-buck lipstick for a piece of plastic. Is it worth it? No. Oh, she started like that quick. Okay, she's applying some eyeliner. What the f is that? Oh. Whoa. Whoa, hold up. This is so messy, but I'm kind of liking... That's hot! You know those girls that get out of the club at like 5 a.m.? Like their makeup is everywhere around their face. It's like that, but make it look good. She's like a hot goth Harley Quinn. So first of all, I'm gonna do a little liner. So now we're gonna fill it in. And now, the moment we have all been waiting for. For now, I'm really digging it. It's really cool. Does it hurt?
No.
Good. I'm just gonna add some little details to finish it off. And 3, 2, 1. Bam! That's really cool. That's really hot actually. I kind of want to have that on my eye right now. You want to move to the next hack?
Next act.
Let's go. Okay, wait, whoa, hold up. Did she just put foundation on her mask? This is a great hack for ugly people. Okay, so now she's kind of contouring on top of the mask and adding blush. The question is, how is you breathing, girl? Like, you just put 5 layers of foundation. This looks very scary, you guys. I kind of dig it. I like that. Let's test it out. I hope the model isn't gonna suffocate or something. We'll see. So first of all, she takes a mask. And it's too bad because you looked beautiful. But hey, you're gonna look even more beautiful. Let's start with the base. Can you still breathe right now?
Yeah, I can.
And now?
Yeah.
And now?
Stop. The foundation is going through the mask.
That means it works. Look at her skin. Looks so smooth. So now we're gonna use the powder. Can you feel the powder? And now it's time for blush.
Oh my god.
You feel fresh, you feel new. Your nose looks snatched. Yes! Time for the lips.
That's not my lips.
Yes, it is. I'm giving you the Ronald McDonald smile. Yes! So pretty. No man can say no to this. Not with those lips you just got. Ta-da! I love this. I think this is my favorite hack. Okay, next hack. What the f is that? Now she just applied the highlight and she puts like a spray on top to blend it. Okay, I'm digging that. What? Okay, that's hot. You have a Maleficent contour right now. For the nose contour. Time for the medium shade. I may steal this hack from them and do it for my looks. She added here too. Now it's time for the mist. Close your eyes. You feel refreshed?
Thank you.
You like it? Oh wow, that's strong. Time to blend. It's slowly turning into something. You like the feeling? Actually, I'm not digging this. The girl in the video was using like a very dark brown and a very light concealer for her skin tone, so we did the same and she kind of looks gray. What do you think? Do you feel pretty?
I don't feel pretty.
She doesn't feel pretty. Okay, another mist. Everybody is loving the mists right now, okay? Ooh, I like that. She went from blonde to brunette. I'm digging that. You ready?
Yeah.
Ciao. I don't think it's worth it. Like, her hair looks nasty. It does change the color, but it gives it like a weird texture to it. Let me see on me. I like it. Well, I guess this is the end. Do you approve this hack? No. Well, you guys, that was a very, very hot video. So make sure to tune in for the next one because it will be even hotter. And yeah, see you guys soon. Bye.